Good morning, my people. This is Asher again of Happy Farm Urban Permaculture. And this morning, this is December of 2024. And I'm so elated to show you my Cavendish dwarf Cavendish banana fruiting. This here, as you can see, this is the flag leaf. This is called a flag leaf, which gives way to this. This is the heart, or this is the flower now. The whole of this thing down there, this one is now the whole flower of a banana. And this one here is the flag leaf, which comes out first. It's a shorter leaf than the rest of the leaves. You can see these ones are big, huge, and very humongous. But once you see this with this, wings like this kind of leaf with this kind of wings, then that is the one we call a banana flag leaf, and it gives way to this big flower here, which is going down to there at the middle. Okay, now this one, it was upright, straight upright, but as time goes, every day it bends. So now you can see, like, this one is already bending. It has been coming out for the last like 5 days, and now it has started to bend. So this flag leaf will be left off, and then we're going to have this one here. This flower will start opening up and giving the hands and the fingers of the banana. You can see it very well. It's there, the flower budding out of the leaves, and it will continue growing. So I intend to document it for the next 5 to 6 days. Then you're going to see how the banana bears its banana fruits. So that is it for today. Tomorrow and the day after and the following days, I'm going to come here and I'm going to document what it is and how it looks like. So stay blessed for today. God bless you and be with you today.